Most life insurance policies have a provision called the accelerated death benefit for terminal illness. This rider allows you to receive a portion of your life insurance death benefit early to use while you're still living if you have a terminal illness with a shortened life expectancy. Depending on the company, it might be 6 months to 2 years. The accelerated death benefit is also known as a living benefit rider. Taking accelerated death benefits will reduce the amount of money received by your beneficiaries. Fees and restrictions. Most companies offer these benefits at no additional premium. Instead, they only charge you for the option when it's used. Other insurance companies will charge an additional premium for the accelerated benefits, usually computed as a percentage of a base premium. In most cases, a company will reduce the benefit advanced to the policyholder before death to compensate for the interest it will lose on an early payout. They also may charge a nominal service fee. Depending on the company, you may receive 25 to 100% of your policy's face value, although usually it's somewhere in between, while you're still living. Then after you die, what's left over of the death benefit would go to your beneficiaries. The percentage, maximum limit, and restrictions of the accelerated death benefit will differ depending on the company. Who can apply for the accelerated death benefit? If you have a terminal condition, you should apply for the accelerated death benefit option. People with other conditions, such as organ failure who are not transplant candidates, may also try to qualify depending on their individual policy and state laws. To qualify, you will need to prove to the insurance company from your doctors stating that you do have a terminal illness and you're expected to live a shorter amount of time, typically between 6 and 24 months, depending on the company. How can you spend the accelerated death benefit? Typically, there are not any restrictions on how the money can be used. You can pay hospital bills, medical expenses, a hospice care, caregiver medications, or experimental treatment. Some people even pay off debt or make financial arrangements for the family. Others even use the funds for daily living expenses or even to take a vacation. Do I pay tax on the accelerated death benefit? Generally, life insurance death benefits, including accelerated death benefits, are federally income tax free. However, there are a few situations when you might have to pay taxes. Number 1, the estate tax. As of 2021, if your estate is worth more than $11.7 million, your estate is subject to estate tax. Number 2, permanent cash value life insurance. Many permanent life insurance policies have cash value that can grow over time. If you withdraw more money than what you put into the policy, then you may have to pay taxes. Installment payments. Beneficiaries typically receive death benefits in one lump sum tax-free. However, if you choose to receive the death benefit in installment payments, they may accrue interest, which can be taxed. Receiving an accelerated death benefit can affect your eligibility for Medicaid and Social Security income. The bottom line is accelerated death benefits can provide valuable funds while you're still living if you qualify. They are not meant to substitute for long-term care insurance coverage. Accelerated death benefits should be used to supplement expenses not covered by a long-term care insurance policy. They're also different from chronic care or long-term care riders. Contact your insurance company or agent to find out details and any policy restrictions. Be sure to consult with your tax and financial advisor before receiving any benefits. I'm Kelly Augsburger with Steadfast Insurance, and if you have any questions or want to learn more, connect with me online or give me a call, and I'm happy to help.